here it is now, and as I say, it'll be a very deceptive arrival, coming in relatively slow. Here she comes. He's got it slightly higher, but he's flying slowly, not quite his highest angle of attack. Bringing in now, this is Squadron Leader Scott Walker with the Typhoon display for 2012. A Scotsman himself with an aircraft from RAF. Well, there you are. I said it's going to get noisy.
He got flight. He got one of that. I won't get on. And he put him back.
Arena. This is phenomenally agile.
Cover your ears again.
Shape of this aircraft. Socks as well. Nothing and nothing, but nowhere. He's got a little lady on board with him as well. She's known as Barking Betty, and she'll be commanding the various instructions that he needs to know about the corners of the envelope that he's flying this aircraft in, but giving him reassurance, but he doesn't need it. He knows this aircraft extremely well. Slowing it right down now, and a brief moment to say something else as he pulls it back into what is what we call a high alpha configuration, where the aircraft is almost right up against the stall and close up it as the air going over the top of the wing tries to break away, but the computer just won't let him go there, even if he's trying hard. So this is it. Feels unnatural, it's remarkably slow, and it just goes to show the pace to go from this to rapid cruise within just a tree, less than a minute. Look at those canards flicking away.
Yeah, 22 has that.